Hi, I'm Gareth, HR Manager for Tony G & Partners, and welcome to this short film about our annual Student Week. Every year, we take our sponsored undergraduate engineers and apprentice technicians on a week-long series of visits across the country using our head office here in Surrey as our base. The focus is to open the eyes of our fledgling engineers and technicians by exposing them to sites, research facilities and fabrication plants across the UK, essentially increasing their appreciation of the wider world of engineering. This film has been made by our students and apprentices during the week. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Tony G Student Week. I'm Jo.
And I'm Louisa, and we're two students sponsored by Tony G & Partners.
In this video, we invite you to join us on our trip around the country as we visit companies which have helped us to deliver projects.
We will also be seeing the projects that Tony G have been involved in. Hopefully it'll be a really good week.
We hope you enjoy.
We've just been visiting the ship simulators at HR Wallingford, and the first one that we saw was a ship simulator, which was really interesting because you can see the view from the bridge of the ship, and we navigated it into Dover. And the second simulator that we've just been into is a tug simulator, which made you feel a lot more seasick because it's a lot smaller boat, so you're nearer the sea, but it was really interesting.
We've just come out of the Brockville.
How was it?
It was absolutely brilliant. The best part being you experience the heat when it's red hot heat, and also with the conveyor belt, the cable as it comes out of the processing, and you see the progression from red hot to silver metal.
I really enjoyed learning about integral bridge systems and how they were put in place and just how much there was to that. Colin, the director, I think we picked his brain for about an hour, and it was really good to just see how the bridge worked and how much attention to detail went into temporary works, sort of maintenance and repair in the future. That was really good. And then also going to see the cemetery. Obviously everyone's a very infamous event that, very tragic, and it was really nice to go see the cemetery and really appreciate what this place had been through.
My favourite aspect of Student Week, aside from the brilliant experience and insight that we get into the industry and witnessing, for example, interacting with contractors, is actually engaging with the different students and apprentices across all the offices at Tony G and all levels of education through their apprenticeships and their degrees from different universities. And I think what it's really good at doing is it forms strong friendship links between us, which then subsequently forms the basis and foundations for effective working relationships later on. So I'm looking forward to working with my fellow students later on at Tony G.
I completely agree with that. I think it's a great way to form not only friendships but working ones as well, especially as it's such a social trip, but we also have the key element of engineering kind of integrated throughout the week, which is great.